All right. All right. 5:00. So, good afternoon. It is. You guys should see what is happening over there right now, because it kind of is raining already, and we're still hoping that that the sky is not gonna completely open on us, and if it's raining a little bit, it's okay. We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
But I have a little umbrella covering the devices. It's really funny. Oh,
There you go.
Oh gosh. Well, Robbie and I were just talking about how appropriate this weather is for today. How well, for me anyway, it's been a challenging day. You've mentioned it's been a challenging day also.
Yeah.
So I wonder where you guys found yourself today. I always say Wednesday is the hardest day to practice, Wednesday afternoon in the middle of the week. We're still in area season. There is some interesting stuff happening in the sky, which is not helping anything. So maybe we'll talk about that more later. We do have meditation coming up at 6. Hopefully it's not pouring. Well, now it stopped again. It cleared up a little bit. So as we have eclectic weather, we'll have probably a little bit of an eclectic practice. So I would like to invite you to, as usual on Wednesday, just practice for yourself. Take whatever you need, leave whatever you don't need. If you want to just lay down in Shavasana, today would be a great day to just do that and just listen. I may be taking shortcuts. I still feel pretty sore, and I also just feel a little unsettled just in general. It was a really strange day, but it's really interesting how what I was thinking about and what I was telling Robbie here before class, you always get what you need, and I fucking hate that. Sometimes it is just so shitty, but you do need it in some way, shape, or form. And as I was sitting in meditation earlier, and I was like, well, I guess this is what I need. Like, this is what I need to look at. And it was so unpleasant, and I was so uncomfortable and so sad and just so frustrated, and I felt extremely lonely and alone just in my own world, like wrapped up in my own shit. But what I was observing at the same time was I was thinking, well, this is exactly what you need right now for whatever reason. This is what you need to look at. So that was number one. And number two, there was an underlying feeling of being grateful for the tools that I have to deal with that kind of emotional state. Because in the past, it would completely throw me off the loop for days. I would not be able to teach, the same day. It was pretty severe, and I felt it was really interesting because I was kind of like watching myself having a meltdown, and then I felt grateful for having yoga and for having meditation to kind of give me the tools to pull myself out of the black spiral, if you will. So that's kind of what the practice is about today for me, and whatever it is for you, just find whatever it is, and we'll see what we get. So we'll start the playlist again one more time. Slow dancing, starting now. Finding your sits bones, taking a moment to settle in. And again, this is a very, well, from Saturday at least anyway, we have experienced a very hard, intense physical practice. So feel free to take it down to your knees anytime you want to. Feel free to skip the push-ups and just hold plank or hold tabletop. You don't have to do all of the push-ups, okay? Big inhale here through your nose. Hold it at the top, sip it a little more. Out of your mouth, let it go. Again, big breath in. Find something. Find something you can connect with. Sip in a little more. Out of your mouth, let it go. Beautiful. Just tune in, roll the shoulders up and back, tuning into your inner emotional state. And just whatever you need to do on your mat today, just take the time. Drop the head side to side. Take the time on your mat to truly take care of yourself. And I know I say that sometimes, but especially today, I feel the self-care is truly absolutely necessary. Reach in for the tools that your yoga practice is giving you. Reach in for them and use them. Find your way onto your hands and knees. Notice we don't have sunglasses. A little bit of a movement. We would probably need windshield wipers for the sunglasses. Well, that's a desperate humor, you guys. And then a little roll through the torso, a little cat cow, whatever feels good. Just lean into your body, tune into your body. Again, if child's pose is what you need and you want to sit in there the whole time, do that. If Shavasana is where you're going to be, or pitch in, half hour on each side, totally cool. Tuck the toes, lift the hips, downward facing down. And then stretch it long, just make it exactly what you need. Slow or fast, pedal out of the feet. Finding a length through the arms, stretching the armpits, drop the head and neck. It's raining pretty heavily right now. Robbie, if you want to go hiding at any point, you can. You don't have to stay here with me. So far, I'm enjoying the rain. Walking all the way to the front of your space. Nice and slow walk. Well, sometimes it's gonna rain when you're outside. The earth needs it. It's been so dry. Halfway lift, inhale, you get exactly what you need always. Sometimes you get rain. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift. And fold. Last one, halfway lift. And fold. Rounding all the way up. Arms reach up over the head. Bring your hands to heart center. Inhale here. Out of your mouth, let it go. Another breath in. Out of your mouth, let it go. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, hinge at the waist, empty your breath all the way down. Halfway lift, curl your chest. Plant your hands, step back to plank. Fire up your quads, inhale here. Knees are not forward, elbows in, exhale, halfway down. Inhale through your up dog, heart comes through. Roll over your feet, downward facing. Inhale on the top of your tippy toes, exhale, knees bend. Look where you're going. Bottom of your exhale, step or float. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, release, slow and steady breath. All the way up, inhale, arms reach. Hands to heart, bring it in. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, empty your breath. Halfway lift, curl your chest, crown of the head. Plant your hands, step or float, chaturanga. Inhale through your back bend. Roll over your feet, downward facing dog. Find a rhythm, tippy toes. Exhale, knees bent. Step or float. Halfway lift, inhale, crawl your chest. Exhale, release. All the way up, arms reach. Hands to heart. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Halfway up, chest crawls. Plant your hands, step or float. Exhale. Inhale, up dog. Roll over your feet, downward facing. Inhale here. Out of your mouth, let it go. Again, inhale. Out of your mouth, let it go. Right leg lifts, up and back, long. Right knee, right tricep, tap. Stay here. Cross it under, left, right. Scoot it back, three-legged. Step your right foot all the way in, warrior two to rise. Inhale, warrior two. Stay for exhale. Inhale here. Skandasana to the back, left knee bends. Back to warrior two. Up and over, inhale. Extended side angle, left arm reaches over your head. Back to warrior two. Arms go down, frame the foot. Plank or three-legged plank or find your knees. Take an inhale here. Halfway down. Press back up. Halfway down. Press back up. Halfway down. Press back up. Pause. Step your right foot all the way in. Left heel goes down. Warrior two. Nice. Up and over, reverse. Half moon, right arm finds the floor or block. Stack the hips, stack the shoulders, breath. Stay for exhale, inhale here. Shiva squat, wrap it down, switch the hands, left arm plants. Left leg extends back, revolve, half moon, opening to your right. Breath in. Exhale, Shiva squat, wrap it down, switch the hands again. Half moon to your left, open. Breathe. Beautiful, right knee bends, control, step back, warrior two. Inhale here. Arms go down, frame the foot, plank, three-legged knees. Inhale here. Halfway down. Press back up. Halfway down. Press back up. One more, halfway down. Press back up, step your right foot all the way in. Left heel goes down. Warrior two. Straighten your right leg up and over, reverse triangle. Arms go to a T. Reach, 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 Trikonasana. Inhale here. And an exhale, another inhale. Left arm reaches over your head, pull it long, fingertips active. Fold over your right leg. Come all the way to center, wide-legged forward fold. And off to the back of your space, your left toes flip, your right toe stay, your left arm plants, your right arm lifts over the head, pull it up, and then find your way back to triangle. Inhale here. Exhale. Another inhale, look down for balance, left knee bends. Arms go down, frame the foot. Left knee, left tricep, tab, make a connection. Cross it under, right, left, three-legged dog, yes. Step it all the way in, low lunge. Straighten your left leg, dig your left heel into the mat. Back into the lunge, plant your hands, left knee, left tricep, tap and hold. Cross it under, right, left, scoot it back, three-legged. Step it all the way in, right knee goes down. Fingertips stay, chest lift. Half splits, bring it back. Back to front, plant your hands, tuck your back toe, lift your back knee, left to left, tap and hold. Or under, right, left, scoot it back, three-legged. Left knee finds the left wrist, half pigeon. Find your sit bones, lift up through the chest. Coming to your forearms only. Our forearms are parallel in towards each other. Tuck the back toe, lift your back knee, lift the hip. Slide your left leg back, forearm plank, hold. Lift your hips, walk your feet closer to your face. Stay here or take it upside down. No, oh my God. It's pouring. Oh my goodness. Lighten up on the elbows. Push back. Downward facing dog. Feel free to go high. I did it. Yeah, you're in it. We're in it. We're in the rain yoga. Left leg lifts up and back. Left knee, left tricep. Tap. Under, right, left. Scoot it back. Three-legged. Step your left foot in, right heel down. Warrior one, rise. Stay for exhale. Inhale here. Front of your space. Arms go down. Frame the foot. Inhale here. Shift forward. Standing splits. Left leg lifts. Inhale here. 10 toes on the mat. Utkatasana, chair pose. Rise. Stay for exhale. Inhale here. Forward fold is your release. Halfway lift. Flat back. Plant your hands. Bakasana. Crow pose. And if you're not completely wet and sliding, you are taking your right knee off of your arm in towards your chest and then back onto the tricep. And then your left into the chest, off onto the tricep. One more time, right, off, and back, left, off, and back. 10 toes on the mat. Come all the way to standing, arms reach. Bring your hands to heart center. Take your arms apart wide. Energetically pull your fingertips away. The right arm wraps underneath the left. Find eagle arms, either single or double wraps. Lift your arms up towards the sky. Your left knee comes up and into your chest. Yep, fire up your left heel. Warrior three, eagle arms, lean in. Breath. Keep reaching with the fingertips. Breathe. Right knee bends, control, step back, keep the arms, inhale, lift. Exhale, release the arms go up, high crescent. Left arm forward, right arm back, standing twist, pause. Now slowly start lowering your left arm down, plant it inside of your right foot, and slide your right foot back to meet the left for side plank. It actually feels amazing. Right arm finds the mat, top of your plank, right knee, right tricep, tap. Extend it back, three-legged dog. Step your right foot all the way in, I think. Open up, warrior two. Yes. Up and over, reverse. Arms go down, frame the foot. Plank or three-legged plank or knees. Forward, elbows in, halfway down. Press back up. Halfway down. Press back up. Halfway down. Press back up. Step your right foot in. Woo. Left heel goes down. Warrior two. Beautiful. Up and over, reverse. Now arms reach over the head. Left heel lifts. Close your left hip. Take a breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Shift forward. Warrior three. Keep your arms over your head. Find your way to warrior three. Drop your left hip down. Breathe. Pull the belly in. Standing splits, release. Inhale here. Exhale, plant your hands. Walk, step, float through your vinyasa. Inhale, up dog. Roll over your feet. Downward facing. This is great. We're really putting our mats to the test here, for sure. So we'll see how both of these live formats, how they do in the rain, right? We will send report to live form. Inhale here. Out of your mouth, let it go. Again, breath in. Out of your mouth, let it go. Left leg lifts, up and back, long. Left knee, left tricep, tap. Stay here or cross it under, right, left. Scoot it back, three-legged. Step your left foot all the way in, warrior two to rise. Stay for exhale, inhale here. Skandasana to the back, right knee bends. Back to warrior two. Inhale to reverse. Exhale to extended side angle, right arm reaches over your head. Inhale back to warrior two. Arms go down, frame the foot. Plank, three-legged knees. Inhale here. Halfway down, exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Step your left foot in. Right heel goes down. Warrior two. Stay for exhale. Up and over. Inhale. Reverse. Exhale to half moon. Left arm finds the floor or a block. Stack the hips. Stack the shoulders. Inhale here. Exhale to Shiva squat slowly. Change your hands. Right arm plants. Right leg extends back. Add the twist. Left arm up. Check in. Inhale. Shiva squat. Back down. Again. Switch the hands. Left arm plants. Right leg extends back. Half moon to your right. Breath. Left knee bends slowly. Control. Step back. Warrior two. Inhale here. Arms go down. Frame the foot. Plank, three-legged knees. Inhale here. Exhale. Halfway down. Press back up. Halfway down. Press back up. Halfway down. Press back up. Step your left foot all the way in. Warrior two. Straightening your left leg up and over. Reverse. It's getting worse. Arms go to a T. Reach, reach, reach. Trikonasana. Breath in. And up. Another breath in. Right arm starts reaching over your head. Stretch through your right side. Active fingertips. Fold over your left leg. Come all the way down through the center. To the back of your mat, your right toes flip. Your right arm plants. Left arm reaches over your head. Complete the circle. Up. Trikonasana. Inhale here. Look down for balance. Right knee bends. Arms go down. Frame the foot. Right knee, right tricep. Tap. Make a connection. Stay. Under. Left. Right. Scoot it back. Three-legged. Step it in. Low lunge. Straighten your right leg. Dig your right heel into the mat. Back into the lunge. Plant your hands right to right. Tap connection. Under. Left. Right. Scoot it back. Three-legged. Step your right foot in. Left knee goes down. Chest lift. Exhale. Half splits. Bring it back. Inhale. Back to front. Plant your hands. Back knee is up. Right to right. Tap. Stay or under. Left. Right. Scoot it back. Three-legged. Half pigeon. Right knee finds the right wrist. Come down. Lift up through the chest. Forearms is next. Take a breath here. Tuck the back toe. Lift your back knee. Slide your right foot back to meet the left. Forearm plank. Hold. Hold it and breathe. Lift your hips up. Walk the feet closer to your face. And again, if you have a forearm stand, your left leg is lifting. Maybe you take up a hops. 10 toes on the mat, lighten up on the elbows. Lift one or both of them at the same time, downward facing dog. Inhale here. Out of your mat, let it go. Right leg lifts, up and back, long. Right to right, tap. Stay here or under, left, right. Scoot it back, three-legged. Step your right foot in, left heel down, warrior one, rise. Stay for exhale. Inhale here. Back to the front of your space, arms go down, frame the foot. Inhale, shifting forward, right leg lift, standing splits. Handstand there if you have it. 10 toes on your mat, or handstands meet us in Utkatasana. That's an inhale coming up. Stay for exhale. Inhale here. Forward fold is your release. Halfway up, flat back. Plant your hands, Bakasana, crow pose. And again, get yourself in crow, and if you are in crow, the left knee off the tricep, hug it into the heart. And then back. Right, off the tricep, into the heart, and back. Again, left, off, and back. Right, off, and back. 10 toes on the mat. Come all the way up to standing. Arms go apart. iPad a little away because I'm afraid it's gonna... Okay. Alright. Hiding my devices. Okay, good. Alright, what's a good place to be? Grab hands in standing, at least you're not holding something like a pro, right? Alright, the right knee comes up and into the chest. Fire up your right heel. Warrior 3. Pull your fingertips forward. Find your balance. Drop your right hip down. Push back through the heel. Elbows, gaze. Left knee bends. Keep the arms. Step it back. High crescent with eagle arms. Inhale, look up. Release the arms. Arms go up. High crescent. Right arm forward. Left arm back. Standing twist. Pull energetically. The right arm starts coming down. Drop it down. And then find side plank from here. Left arm finds the mat, left to left, tap. Scoot it back, three-legged dog. Step your left foot all the way in, open up, warrior 2. Inhale here. Arms go down, frame the foot, plank, three-legged knees. Inhale, halfway down, press back up. Halfway down, press back up. Halfway down, press back up. Step your left foot all the way in. Up and over, reverse. We're almost done. Take your arms over your head, long, lean in, close your right hip, lift the back heel. Breath in, warrior 3, coming forward. Beautiful, keep the breath. Keep working. And standing splits. Inhale here. Plant your hands. Walk, step, float through your vinyasa. Woo. Well, we did both sides. I don't know, do we call it twists? I think we do. So we completed both sides, which is good, so you're not uneven and unbalanced. It is pouring. I don't know if you can see, but it's pouring. There's puddles, we're like in puddles. So I think we're gonna go in and then dry out and then change clothes, and maybe we'll do meditation from inside. So that gives us, if you guys want to try to do it again, feel free. Not that you can remember, but maybe you can, I don't know. Otherwise, maybe just take a twist on your back or happy baby. Just walk yourself through, you know, being down on your mat. And you will take...
It was so fun.
It was so fun until it just keeps raining more and more. So it's getting a little more difficult to move, quite honestly. So, alright. So we will see you, or at least I will see you. Hopefully we will both see you. We will dry up, wrap ourselves in towels, and then we'll take meditation from inside. So give us, you know, at 6 according to the plan. Yoga in the rain, that's right. Oh, according to the plan, meditation at 6. Thank you guys. Bye for now.